to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to solve question 9, WASSC 2022 Elective Maths. Already, we have solved the first 8 questions. So, let's begin. The first part, the second term of a geometric progression, GP, is equal to the 8th term of an arithmetic progression, AP. The first term, common difference, and common ratio are all equal and non-zero. Find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric progression, GP. The second part is the sum of first 11 terms of a linear sequence, AP, is 165. If the third term is 9, find the value of the common difference and then the first term. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve this problem. So the first one, second term of GP, then the 8th term. So first of all, let the first term A, then common difference, common ratio to R. First, in the question, we mentioned of the second term of GP. So for GP, the second term A, R. Then for AP, 8th term is A plus 70. Let's go back to the question. If the second term of a GP is equal to the 8th term of arithmetic progression, so if that's the case, the second term of GP is AR, which is equal to the 8th term A plus 70. Now, the question talk about another aspect that we need to know. The first term, common difference, and then common ratio, they are all equal. So, which is A is equal to D, which is equal to R. So, in that case, we are going to have A times A equal to A plus 70. So, the common difference is equal to the first term. So, we have A squared is equal to A plus 7A. So, we have A squared is equal to 8A. So, can bring them to the left hand side. So A squared minus 8A is equal to 0. So A out, A minus 8 is equal to 0, which is A is equal to 0. A minus 8 is equal to 0. And what is A is equal to 8. Now let's go back to the question. So we have to find the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric progression. So if A is 8, then R will also be 8, then D will also be 8. So the first n terms of GP is A times R raised to the power n minus 1, bracket close, then R minus 1. So we are looking at the sum of the first 5 terms. So x5, n is 10, 5, for n is 5, you have A is 8, so 8 times 8 raised to the power 5 minus 1 over 8 minus 1. So when we simplify, the same as 8 times, so 8 to the power 5 is 32768 minus 1. Bracket close, 8 minus 1 is 7, which is 32768 minus 1. So 8 times 32767, all on 7. So when we simplify, we are getting 37,440. So that is the sum of the first 5 terms. So let's look at the second question. The sum of the first 11 terms of a linear sequence is 165. If the third term is 9, find the values of the common. So the sum of AP given by n on 2 times 2A plus n minus 1D, bracket close. And we were told that the sum of the first 11 terms, S11, is 165. If that is the case, this implies that 11 on 2, then 2A plus 11 minus 1D is equal to 165. So we have 11 on 2 times A plus 10D is equal to 165. 11 on 2, let's factorize 2 out. Then 11 on 2 times 2 out. A plus 5D equals to 165. So these two cancel 2. So we have 11A plus 55D is equal to 165. So when we simplify, we are getting a plus 5d equal to 15. So we were also told that the third term of AP is equal to 9. Third term is equal to 9. This implies that for the AP, the third term is a plus 2d, which is equal to 9. So this is the second equation, equation 1, and then equation 2. So let's solve the two equations. Because we have AA, we can subtract the two equations. So equation 1 minus equation 2. A minus A is 0, 5d, this is 3d, then 15 minus 9 is 6. Divide both sides by 3, 3. So our d is equal to 2. That's the common ratio. We can put this value in any of the equation to find A. So put d in equation 2. So A plus times 2 equal to 9. So A is equal to 9 minus 4. So A is equal to 5. So therefore A is 5. That's the first term. Then the common difference is 2. Let's see how we are going to score this question. This one, writing these things will not fetch you any marks. But it's good that you write them to help you to be systematic. So your first mark is being able to write this a squared is equal to a plus 7a. We are going to give you m1 for substitution. And then when it comes to solving, so this one, m1 for solving this quadratic equation, then a1 for the answer, a1 for the answer. We then move to the sum. If the candidate is able to substitute correctly, we have m1 for correct substitution. Then for simplifying this way, get m1, then the correct answer as 37,448, a1. That is the first part. The second part, for correct substitution, this way we have m1, then being able to simplify, we get another m1. And then the equation, correct equation, the first one as a1, the second equation we are giving b1, mark of 1. And then for solving a1, then answer for the common difference is also a1. So final answer for the first term is a1. Now the total score is 13 marks. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video, you're alerted. Bye.